You're getting a double feature DIY. You ever have one of those annoying projects that you just have to do so it doesn't get any worse? Well, this episode is just one of those projects. So come along, I'll show you what I'm talking about. All right, so this is a basement door. And as you can see, it's loose. And I'm gonna attempt my hand at fixing it the best I can, if I can get this stuff cleared off, and then show you. Today's tools is a scraper, this, scissors, meat cutter scissors because they're sharp, some clamps, cardboard for the clamps so it doesn't make any dents on the metal, and some of this. It's a 1/4 inch 3M VHB. It's a high-grade utility tape, double-sided for projects like this. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this scraper. I'm going to try to scrape that out. I can't hold the camera and do it at the same time, so I'll do that and then show you. All right, what I did was I cleaned this up and this up, so it's nice and flat. There's no bumps there. And then I used some rubbing alcohol to clean the dirt off so the 3M tape will stick. Okay, so I left the paper on there. Now I'm going to peel that off, and then I'm going to clamp this down over the sticky side. Okay, with the sticky side exposed on both sides, I'm going to lay this down, apply some pressure here, and now I'm going to clamp it. All right, I'm going to leave that sit. We'll see how good this stuff is. I clamped it as best as I could, and we're going to let that adhesive adhere, and we're going to see how good this 3M tape is. All right, I removed all of these, and as you can see, that worked. This is part 2. This project here, this little thing here broke off. So I'm going to replace this whole thing on both sides and show you what I bought. And I'll show you what it looks like over here. It's like this. And the other side is like this. And it's got this is what broke off the new one, the old one. All right, I had it backwards, so it would not work right. We're just gonna have to turn this by hand because this is not a lock. Because this little creature here is going to be locked in the bedroom when we travel for more room. So that is the proper way. And let me see here. And now it'll lock. And I'll show you our compromise, and I will tell you, do not over tighten this screw on this side or the other side because this will not turn so easily if you do. Now it's locked. A little improvised because this lock is different, but it still works and it works functioning. It functions. All right, that concludes this video. You had a double feature, a door lock. Not to tighten the screws too tight or it won't work because it's kind of chintzy and cheap, but it's almost 12 bucks on Amazon Prime. So I bought it, and that concludes the basement panel fix and the door lock. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if at all my ugly mug is enticing or the content is good enough for you. And don't forget to pick up a book or two that I've written. It's over on Amazon, and you can have a good time while you're traveling and a good time to scare the wits out of some of you. I don't know, whatever the case may be. Hit the alert button, subscribe below, come back for more. See you soon.